Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Gastronaut Clinic. Dr. Rajiv Ingorani here. Today I'll be sharing information about endoscopy and colonoscopy. Upper GI endoscopy is a procedure wherein an upper GI endoscope with a camera is inserted through the mouth. It travels through the food pipe, goes into the stomach and early part of small intestine. And we examine and if possible take a biopsy and we come back. For this procedure, there are certain protocols to be followed throughout the worldwide. Basic tests are to be done. Our clinic follows a similar protocol. Basic blood test, X-ray and whatever test and fitness are required are done. If anesthesia is given, definitely fitness is required in the form of X-ray or ECG if required, or if the patient is on any heart medicines or any other medicines, appropriate decisions have to be taken after consultation with the cardiologist or the appropriate doctor. For all these things, first, if the patient is emergency, the patient can get admitted at the hospital of their convenience and as per the availability. The gastroenterologist visits the hospital and takes the decision for the emergency endoscopy. If it is not an emergency, patients are requested to come to the OPD just for 5 minutes for a basic discussion to see the reports of the patient, to examine the patient condition, the feasibility of endoscopy, and whether endoscopy is to be done on a certain date. After doing all the tests, planning can be done accordingly and decision can be taken. All these things are very difficult on phone, therefore we request the patient to come with all the reports and if possible a decision maker relative to the OPD to understand. Colonoscopy is a similar procedure where a colonoscope with a camera is inserted through the toilet area and entire large intestine and the last part of small intestine is examined. दोस्तों, एंडोस्कोपी के लिए इमरजेंसी में आप नज़दीकी अस्पताल में भर्ती हो सकते हैं, वहाँ पे डॉक्टर आके देखेंगे. अगर इमरजेंसी नहीं है तो हमें दरख्वास्त करते हैं कि पेशेंट्स अपने एक रिलेटिव के साथ पेपर्स के साथ 5 मिनट के लिए सही ओपीडी में आइए, डॉक्टर से मिलिए और डॉक्टर को जांच करने दीजिए कि आपको एंडोस्कोपी कब कैसे कराना है और उसके लिए क्या क्या टेस्ट की ज़रूरत है. आप एंडोस्कोपी के लिए फिट हो नहीं हो वो सारी चीज़ें देखना ज़रूरी है. ये फ़ोन पे बताना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, तो प्लीज़ ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. अगर पॉसिबल है तो प्लीज़ ओपीडी में आइए. थैंक यू सो मच.